It is 4:30 a.m. and you can't see me, so it's time for another road trip travel tip. In this case, we're talking about high beams. So here's the indicator. It's that kind of half circle with the beams coming out of it. It's generally blue. So when you have the high beams on, you're able to see road signs a little bit better. You're able to see further down the highway. So John, when do you activate high beams?
High beams are activated when, now keep in mind this can vary from province to province or state to state, but when an opposing car or a car in front of you is more than 150 meters away.
And so the reason for that being that the high beams can be a little bit blinding to the other cars, and they can also damage their night vision. So it's, regardless of what the rules are, you know, if your jurisdiction doesn't have rules against blinding other drivers, it's a nice courtesy. And given that, you know, driving into oncoming traffic is counterproductive, it might be good for your own safety as well, not to blind the drivers. But you see there, it illuminates the road signs quite nicely. You see further down. And then we're going to turn it off now. So hopefully that difference reads. This is the kind of travel tip you can only record at 4:30 in the morning, I think.